Hey everyone, Ian here from Audi Bend. Today we're putting together a little video showing a little winter preparedness with an emergency winter kit to keep you and your family members safe. Alright guys, after watching that little video there, I hope you took some information and can incorporate that into your own emergency kit. If there's some ideas that you have that we didn't include in our video, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas. Once again, this is Ian from Audi Bend. Hope you have a wonderful winter season.
Kendall, let's start something great.